We should take the mailbags a few at a time, said Harold's pilot. They're very heavy. I'd have to make too many trips. Then I'd be as slow as Percy. And so they loaded all the mail into Harold's net at once. And the engineer continued to work on the signal. Just as they finished loading, a signal engineer cried out. "It's fixed," he said. "Wait, Harold," shouted Percy. "I'm ready to go." But it was too late. Harold had already taken off. Percy watched the mail disappear. He was upset. But then they all heard a strange sound. "Watch out for those trees, Harold," cried his pilot. "My net is too heavy," wailed Harold. "Harold is in trouble," Percy cried. "We must try to help him." "Are you all right?" called Percy. "Just get someone to pull me out of this haystack," sputtered Harold, and Percy did, as fast as he could. The next day, Harold's engine was fixed and he was flying again. Percy was very pleased to see him. "Want to take the mail, Harold?" Percy teased. "I'll stand by with the rescue team." All the engines tooted, and Harold hovered so low that only Percy could hear. "Thanks for getting help to pull me out of that haystack, my friend," he said. "That's all right," said Percy. "That's what friends are for." Donald and Douglas are Scottish twin engines. They're practical, peppery, and proud. They nearly always work together. One day, Donald and Douglas were chuffing through the countryside, hauling a heavy load. Down the line, Trevor the traction engine had been struggling with a big cartload of hay. Crossing the tracks, the cart's wheels had broken off. Then Trevor heard a whistle. "Oh no!" Trevor cried. Donald could see the cart. "Stop!" he cried. Donald's driver applied the brakes, but it was too late. Luckily, no one was hurt. "Stop being pushy," Donald snapped. "Don't call me pushy," Douglas snapped back. "You shouldn't have pushed me into the cart," huffed Donald. "You pulled me, you mean," argued Douglas. "Didn't. Did. Did not. Did too." Before long, the track was cleared, and Donald and Douglas were on their way. The twins were so cross they refused to speak to each other for the rest of the day. The next day, Sir Topham Hatt needed an engine to help Duck at the smelter's yards. "May I go, sir?" said Donald eagerly.
I only need one engine, said Sir Topham Hatt, not two. I am only one engine, sir, said Donald, and I would like to work with Duck. Sir Topham Hatt was surprised, but agreed. Thomas was worried. Won't you miss one another, he asked. I know I'd miss Annie and Clarabelle. I'll work better on my own, sniffed Douglas. I have work to do, huffed Donald. At first, Donald enjoyed working with Duck.